Are you looking for the best airflow PC case? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best PC case on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Corsair Airflow PC Case. If you look out for gaming peripherals in the market, Corsair is surely a top-tier brand that actually manufactures some decent PC cases as well. We have decided to give first position to this Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX PC case since it's highly durable and looks pretty aesthetic. The overall case weighs around 7,850 grams, so you can guess how tough it actually is. Moreover, it's a mid-tower with dimensions 17.83 by 9.06 by 18.35 inches. That said, you can use this case with motherboards of any form factor. It's compatible with all extended ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ATX types of motherboards. The PC case is fairly spacious and can easily fit 6x 120mm or 4x 140mm cooling fans. Not only that, you can even use a 360mm radiator at the front and 280mm in the roof as well. Although this 4000D case from Corsair comes with 2 pre-installed 120mm fans, we recommend adding more fans to enhance the airflow. To make your PC build look tidy, it also has the Corsair Rapid Route cable management system at the backside. Speaking about the connectivity ports, this PC case offers you a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and a combination audio/microphone jack. At number 2. Cooler Master Airflow PC Case. Yet another good brand that you can look out for PC cases is Cooler Master. It offers a wide variety of PC cases, all of which are highly premium and have cool designs. We decided to put this Master Case H500 in the second position in this list since it performs quite well when it comes to airflow. Thanks to the 200mm ARGB fans that come pre-installed in this case at the front, which intake air. There's another 120mm fan also included in the case that throws air outside to maintain a proper airflow inside the case. If we talk about its design, we like the mesh design plate at the front that provides sturdiness as well as helps to enhance the airflow at the same time. Just like the transparent front panel, you get a tempered glass side panel that lets you showcase your expensive gaming hardware. In the roof, there's enough room to put in 2 extra 120mm fans if you want to increase the airflow further. Moreover, this mid-tower PC case is even compatible with a full-size ATX motherboard and all the other smaller sizes as well. It can easily fit up to a 167mm CPU cooler and 410mm graphics card also. At the top of the case, you get 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports, along with separate headphone and microphone jacks. The overall weight of the case is around 9.22 kgs, thanks to the built-in handle at the top. You can pick it up easily. At number 3. Montech Airflow PC Case. The next product on our list comes from a reliable brand called Montech. Their products come on a budget and still have a stylish case. This Air 100 ARGB white PC case offers ultimate cooling performance through its dual high-quality system fans and super-fine mesh faceplate. At the front, a large area of mesh is available with LED rainbow fans, which ensures maximum airflow and acts as an anti-dust cover as well. This gaming case has a unique design and 4 pre-installed dazzling LED rainbow 120mm ARGB fans, which are connected by a lighting controller and controlled by an LED button or motherboard. It comfortably fits Micro ATX and Mini ATX size motherboards. Its exclusive design of a swivel tempered glass side panel is easy to unmount, while its zero drill hole will enhance the strength and safety of the panel. This Air 100 ARGB will offer plenty of room to fit GPU cards up to 330mm, PSU up to 160mm, radiators of 280mm, tower heatsinks up to 161mm at the front, whereas 240mm radiators at the top space along with drivers of 2 by 2.5 inches SSDs, and 3.5 inches HDD easily. It comes with pre-installed Velcro straps and cable loops, which let you set the system properly. When it comes to I/O ports, it has 2x USB 3.0, 1x USB 2.0, and the HD audio ports are there on the case's top. At number 4. Fantex Airflow PC Case. Fantex is a decent brand choice if you want to save some bucks, as all its offerings are comparatively cheaper than the competition. Speaking of the Fantex Eclipse P300A PC case, it truly deserves to be in third place in this list because of its affordable pricing. The size of this case measures 15.9 by 7.9 by 18 inches, so it's a decent mid-tower case. That said, it comes with two 3.5 inches HDD slots and two optional 2.5 inches SSD brackets as well. In addition, there is a 200mm clearance for the PSU unit and a 355mm clearance for GPU and motherboard. This much space is good enough to fit an ATX motherboard comfortably. Speaking of the fans, it comes with one rear 120mm fan pre-installed. However, you can install either a 120mm or 140mm fan in the roof, or 2x 140mm or 2x 120mm fans at the front also. If you are going to use radiators in your build, there's 280mm clearance at the front and 120mm clearance at the back if you choose to remove the rear fan. If you are concerned about the I/O ports, it features 2x USB 3.0 microphone, headphone, power button, reset button on the top.